guys, welcome to Infamous 5. Today we have Shahzeb Hussain with us, Nida, Shiroy, of course. Right, so our topic for today is the billboards, not वो जो lawn के लगे थे पर अब उसके against आए हैं एक कोई
There's a campaign that's going on.
खबर ही आई थी जो अखबार में जो क्लिप अभी चल जाएगा अखबार का, उसमें ये उन्होंने बताया था कि ये रात के वक्त लगा रहे हैं और कोई वुमेन एसोसिएशन कोई कैंपेन चला रही है ये जिसमें वो कह रहे हैं कि कपड़े बेचो गैरत ना बेचो.
Right.
So
what's basically happening? Batman on this. What's basically happening is in the night hours, there is a campaign that's going on. They're putting up slogans that is against the nudity that they display in lawn adverts and in commercials like that. So they're putting up all these slogans where they're making these advertisers have a bit of a shame that kapde becho khairat na becho. So what they're trying to say is that, you know, not everything is acceptable. Whatever you're doing, these people are not getting paid. When a little investigation team was set out, it turns out that these people, they walk out into the darkness of the night and then they're putting up their own, you know, what do you call it? Banners, yeah,
but they're not being paid. The reason they're not being paid is because no one's asking them to do it. If they're taking matters to
why they wants to endorse
you can't really expect anything.
But isn't it illegal कि वो बगैर पूछे बगैर पे किए जो हैं वो
billboards
लगा रहे हैं?
These billboards you have to pay the people who.
That is definitely illegal, but you know what has to. We're basically critiquing upon what instigates them to actually go across and put these kind of shameful, you know, they're kind of like instigating them to think about it, what you're doing.
See,
you know,
honestly, from their point of view, it's a Muslim country, right? We all follow Islam, and this is obviously not, you know, it doesn't go along the lines of what's written in the Quran. In the Quran, so obviously for them, I mean, if they see that other people aren't doing it, then at least, you know, they want to take it onto themselves.
But doesn't it contradict कि हम हरकतें क्या करते हैं? मतलब जो हम movies वगैरह देखते हैं उसमें we never object कि उसमें क्या हो रहा है, we watch.
You know, my take is you know, when somebody, I know that this is illegal and everything, and that is it supersedes anything on grounds of morality. When there is a law that's placed in the country, you need to follow that, you need to respect that. Okay, other than putting that aside, which obviously should not be neglected to begin with, that's why I, you know, mentioned it before. The second part is that, you know, when what we normally do is that, listen, what we normally do is that we don't appreciate something that's good going on, and we kind of like change the focus, and we kind of go कि भाई ये भी तो हो रहा है, you know, there are other करना है, cover करना है, तो वो TV पे भी cover करना चाहिए, advertisement जो आपकी television पर आ रहे हैं.
Tell me this. Yeah. If you're driving, you know, all the sexy light, right, and then you go and then you see a billboard with like, you know, Brad Pitt in like, you know, beach shorts, you know, just like lying there all, you know, sweaty, nice, you know, with the tan. So I mean, wouldn't I mean, it's eye candy. I mean, wouldn't you want to look at it?
Yeah, it's eye candy.
Exactly, you're beautifying the city. That's the thing.
See,
we don't have natural beauty over here.
Yeah, see, that's a way of doing it, right?
Okay, but if I'm traveling with my 6-year-old niece, I would want to cover her eyes.
Yeah,
so what am I doing? Am I focusing on the driving, or am I covering her eyes?
Listen, this generation screwed up anyway.
Is that your excuse? Is that your excuse that the generation?
No, I'm just.
So let's prevent that
generation.
Okay, no.
Come on.
इसके नीचे जो खबर थी, जो पूरा आर्टिकल था, इसके नीचे खबर थी कि हमारे यहाँ एक मशहूर पार्टी है जमात इस्लामी जिसका मैं नाम लूँगी, वो ऑलरेडी इस कैंपेन के पीछे है. अब उस आर्टिकल के मुताबिक कोई पीछे से जिस बंदे से बात की गई थी वो जमात इस्लामी का था, and he didn't want his name to be mentioned, and he confirmed that ये जो कैंपेन चली है ये उसके भी फॉर हैं और उन्होंने भी बैनर लगाए हैं जो कि उतारे जा चुके हैं, and they're against this nudity. अब पॉइंट ये है कि is this nudity? I mean they're wearing clothes, बस ये है कि इतना कि उनके बाजू दिख रहे हैं, कमर दिख रही है.
No, but there are like deep necklines and everything. I mean, come on. I mean, if you think about it, so I mean, I don't know. I mean, if somebody wore that, I mean, it would be considered inappropriate at least in our society over here. You know, that's how it is. So I mean, yeah. So
are you for it or are you against it?
See, in a way,
that's the verdict.
I'm against it.
See, because I'm living here, because I'm a Muslim, because. So for me, obviously, I will respect it and agree whatever it says. You know, I mean, modesty is.
But from the inside, what do you really say?
Look. We're men, right? We have raging hormones, and listen. This is something that's like built in. I mean, you really can't do anything about it. But I mean, like, you know, I mean, I will respect what, you know. But please, there's a lot of attraction. You don't know what you're talking about. Please.
Shiroy, what do you have to say about this?
I would just say that it's right. I mean, there's no nudity in it and anything. I'm up for it. Like, I'll
See, what is considered nudity?
I mean, whatever these people are saying, I bet they also look at it and they're just saying it because they just want to be known in the media and everything. They just want to put something.
No, but see, maybe in their conscience, I mean, they feel they're doing a good thing, right?
But no, listen, at night going up putting banners for what? For what reason? They're doing illegal stuff. Isn't that wrong?
No. Obviously, see, if you want to do anything, you should go through legal process.
Yeah, that's
so why
right.
are they saying something right? To do something right, to do something illegal. There are other ways to show people.
They actually, like how he pointed out, they're playing all Robin Hood about it. Like they're taking the money from the rich, and they're not doing that. But the whole approach is that the basic, Batman, did he actually used to do that? He used to beat the crap out of the. I don't know what Batman.
और अगर वो लीगल तरीके से करेंगे भी तो कोई उनको इश्तेहार लगाने नहीं देगा.
See, if the thing is, if they do go about it,
मैसेज करना है लोग करने कहीं से कुछ भी और तरीके नहीं.
लेकिन आप ये देखेंगे कि कहानी रात के वक्त लगा दिया तो लगा दिया.
Yeah. मैसेज भी मिल गया उन लोगों को सुबह की रोशनी में, and उन लोगों को फिर ये भी हुआ कि हाँ यार, maybe we're doing something wrong here. So they must have at least rethought about the whole thing.
I bet these lawn people don't even care about what they just said.
Well, but it's a slap on their face, everybody's talking about it. We're covering it in our show, letting the other people know.
Okay, but are you and I, being women and girls, are we in favor of it?
I'm in favor of the whole campaign, but if it was only done through a little bit legally,
because the thing is, if they go about it legally, they're not really going to get anywhere because
they're not going to get money for it. That's for sure.
It's not about the money. It's
nobody wants to endorse upon modesty. Everybody wants to, if you're like bearing it all, if you're like pretty. And everybody wants to endorse in you. They want to, the good-looking actresses, the A-listers, they get, all the brands, the marketing, and they get the sponsors. So there are people who wanting to place money in that because that basically sells. But whatever happened to modesty? There were also these classy actresses that used to come, but they didn't necessarily have to bear it all to look all that. So, you can come across getting noticed by being properly clad and everything. Audrey Hepburn, man, class,
और ये बिलबोर्ड सारी जितने भी लॉन के लगे थे वो इस साल ज़्यादा लगे थे.
Why do you have to ignore all that?
Yeah,
you have to keep everything in account.
Yeah, go on.
No, I was saying कि जितने भी बिलबोर्ड्स लगे थे इत्तेफाक से सबसे ज़्यादा एडवर्टाइजिंग जो इस साल हुई है लॉन के ऊपर.
Yeah, this
एक के बाद एक
the year of the lawns.
Yeah, but with that, they also went a little.
It's so annoying. I'm going home and the entire world.
But this time around, they also went a bit too crazy with the cloaking of the models. Like they would be few centimeters of clothing on a woman's body, and the rest of it is basically showing skin.
Come on, that's exaggerating.
Haven't you seen so many other brands? What are you talking about?
It's sleeveless, but they're not.
Okay.
So
they are covered. It's not like they're not covered at all.
Yeah, but see,
that's why the whole campaign came up.
According to customs of it, I mean, it's considered inappropriate, right? So what they're doing, in their conscience, they feel that they're doing the right thing. So if they need to go,
okay.
all dark night on this.
The question is, are they selling lawn or skin?
Both.
And are you? And this is.
They're selling lawn through skin. That's how it is.
Yeah, that's how you put it.
Are they tattooing your skin on the prints? What do you?
No, man.
No.
They're getting models. They're getting models to sell their lawns, right?
No, but see, how can you see if the models are willing to do it, right?
Yes.
So there you go. That's just how it is.
So what's the final verdict again? Are you for it, against it?
We're for it until the Muslim thing doesn't come. But if I respect to the Muslim thing.
I'm just gonna keep quiet because I know my mom or somebody's gonna get angry. So I'm just like,
Okay, let's play it safe.
Let's play it safe.
So tell us, are you in favor of these billboards जो के गैरत वाले लग रहे हैं इस unknown campaign की तरफ से, or are you against it?
On that note, we'll say bye bye.